Imagine a shopping revolution where quality meets affordability. What if one idea could change the Indian way of shopping? In 2002, Radhakishan Damani founded DMart with a bold vision, high quality essentials at lowest price every day. Unlike other chasing rapid growth, DMart expanded strategically and efficiently, staying true to its motto: everyday low cost, everyday low price. Today, it stands as a symbol of trust, smart business, and a dream that reshaped Indian retail. Let's analyze DMart's performance, challenges, and strategic response from 2002 to 2025. Also, explore the reason behind slowing profit growth and rising competition. While assessing DMart's effort in digital expansion, store growth, and operational efficiency, the study also highlights key business lessons on adaptability and innovation and provide investment insight into the company's future prospects. Since its founding in 2002, DMart has grown from a single store in Mumbai to over 300 stores across India by 2022, becoming one of the country's most profitable retail chain. With its everyday low cost, everyday low price model, it focused on efficiency, affordability, and store ownership rather than rapid expansion. The company saw steady revenue growth crossing 30,976 crore in FY22 while maintaining strong profits margin. Its 2017 IPO was massive success, turning DMart into a market favorite stock. Despite its dominance, competition from e-commerce players, rising operational costs, and shifting consumer preference pose challenge, signaling the need for strategic digital expansion to sustain in market leadership. DMart has long been a symbol of steady growth, but recent financial trends indicate slowing profitability and concern over market dominance. While revenue has continued to rise, profit growth has significantly decelerated, raising question about the company's ability to sustain its cost-efficient model. In FY 2022, the company generated the revenue of 30,976 crore and achieved a net profit of 2,103 crore, making a strong 35% year-on-year profit growth. The following year, in FY23, revenue increased to 42,839 crore, while net profit rose to 2,378 crore, reflecting a 13% growth. In FY24, the company's revenue further climbed to 49,722 crore with a net profit of 2,695 crore. Through the profit growth slowed to 5.42% in Q3 of FY25 alone. The company reported 15,972 crore in revenue and 733 crore in net profit, slowing at 4.8% year-on-year profit growth for the quarter. DMart has been profitable from decades, but here are some key concerns. Slowing profit growth. While revenue has steadily increased, profit growth has dropped sharply from 35% in FY22 to just 5.42% in FY24. This indicates rising operational costs and lowering margins. Market share erosion. Increasingly competition from Reliance Retail, JioMart, and online grocery platforms is impacting DMart's growth. Digital lag. The company's slow digital adoption is making it harder to compete in a rapidly shifting consumer landscape, favoring e-commerce. Declining same-store growth. Expansion has been steady, but older stores are seeing slower sales growth, impacting overall profitability. DMart's market dominance is facing growing challenges, leading to a decline in revenue and market share. The rapid rise of e-commerce platforms like Blinkit, BigBasket, and JioMart has shifted consumer preference toward a convenience of online shopping. Where DMart digital presence remains weak, intensifying competition from Reliance Retail and other supermarket chains is further squeezing its foothold. Unlike its rival, DMart follows a slow expansion strategy by owning stores, which limits its ability to quickly scale compared to competitors who lease spaces aggressively. Additionally, rising operational cost, inflation, and supply chain disruption are putting pressure on profitability. Changing consumer behaviors with a growing preference for a premium product and digital first shopping, it further impacting footfall in physical stores. Moreover, DMart heavy reliance on key markets like Maharashtra and Gujarat restrict its nationwide reach, with declining same-store sales growth and stagnating profitability. Once unshakable retail giant must rethink its strategy to stay ahead in the rapid evolving market, while still DMart remains the retail powerhouse, the sharp decline in profit growth is a worrying sign. In response to the challenges and declining profit growth and increased competition, DMart's management has implemented several strategic measures, enhancing online presence. Recognizing the shift towards e-commerce, DMart is boosting its online grocery service, DMart Ready. The company aimed to improve delivery metrics, targeting 100% deliveries within 12 hours, up from the current 40-45%. Additionally, investment are being made in fulfillment center to enhance delivery infrastructure and reduce wait time. This will help in expanding customer reach, tapping into booming e-commerce and quick commerce market. Faster deliveries time enhance customer satisfaction and competitiveness against Blinkit, Big Basket, and JioMart. Strengths in omnichannel presence, balancing offline and online revenue streams. Here are some points to be considered. High logistic and operational cost could further impact profit margin. Strong competition from established players may limit market share gain. Customer acquisition in online delivery is expensive, requiring a heavy discount and promotions. Accelerating store expansion. To counteract slow growth, DMart plans to add 45 new stores in FY25 with medium-term goal of 45 to 60 stores annually. This strategy focuses on penetrating new market and increasing retail area to boost revenue. This would lead to increased market presence and revenue potential by entering new regions. Helps offset slow and same store growth, ensuring long-term sustainability. Maintain cost leadership through owned stores, reducing rental expenses over time. Also, some points to be considered. Capital intensive strategy that could curtail short-term profitability. Finding prime real estate for store ownership is challenging and may slow expansion. Consumer shift towards online shopping could reduce effectiveness of physical store growth. Investing in infrastructure. The company is addressing operational inefficiencies by investing in infrastructure improvement. While this investment may impact short-term profitability, they are intended to strengthen DMart's long-term position in the market. Will help in enhancing supply chain efficiencies, reducing cost in long run, support faster restocking, better inventory management, and improved customer experience. Strengthens DMart's competitive edge against modern retailers like Reliance and Amazon. This may cause short-term profitability may decline, but to increased investment, high upfront cost with delayed returns, making it long-term bet. Risk of execution challenges in scaling infrastructure across India. Lessons to learn from DMart's challenges and strategies. Adapt or risk losing market share. Even a dominant player must involve with changing consumer behavior. DMart's delayed focus on e-commerce allows rivals like JioMart and Blinkit to gain around. Business must anticipate market trends rather than to react to them late. Balancing growth and profitability. DMart stores ownership model ensured profitability but slowed expansion compared to the competitor using a leasing model. A rich strategy can limit growth and the companies must find the right balance between scalability and cost control. Investing in digital transformation is inevitable. The shift towards online shopping and quick commerce is irreversible. Companies that fails to build a strong digital presence risk oblivion in increasingly tech-driven market. Customer convenience is the key. DMart's traditional business model focused on offering low price, but today's consumer also value speed, convenience, and accessibility. Businesses must align with changing consumer expectations rather than relying on past success, short-term pain or long-term gain. While DMart new strategies, e-commerce expansion, and infrastructure investment may hurt short-term profitability, but they are necessary for survival in a competitive landscape. Companies must be willing to sacrifice immediate profits for sustained growth. The competition never sleeps. DMart's success attracted aggressive competition from Reliance Retail and Tata Groceries venture. DMart's journey highlights the importance of strategic adaptability, progressivity, innovation, and balancing profitability with growth. DMart's journey serves as a powerful lesson for business and investors alike. Market leadership is never guaranteed. Do you think DMart's strategies will help it regain momentum or it is losing ground to competitors? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's discuss the future of Indian retail giant.